Before diving into Deutsche Telekom VPN, let's make sure you're clear on whether it's the right fit for you. It's a solid option, but when compared to other VPN providers, there are some key points you should be aware of to make an informed decision. First, let's talk about the server network. Deutsche Telekom's VPN doesn't have as many servers as the bigger players, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. While they do offer a range of locations across Europe, it's not as expansive globally, which could be limiting if you're looking for access to specific regions. Next thing, speed. In terms of speed, Deutsche Telekom VPN performs decently, but it falls short of competitors like CyberGhost or Surfshark. If you need ultra-fast connections for activities like gaming or streaming in 4K, you might be better off with a provider that has faster, more consistent speeds across its servers. The third thing you need to know is its compatibility. Deutsche Telekom VPN works on most devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. However, you won't find apps for smart TVs or gaming consoles, which may be a deal breaker for some users. Next, the security features. Deutsche Telekom offers strong encryption, which is standard for most top-tier VPNs. They support OpenVPN and IKEv2 IPsec protocols, which are secure and reliable, but they don't offer the more cutting-edge options like WireGuard that some other VPNs have, which are known for speed and efficiency. The fifth thing is the no-logs policy. Deutsche Telekom VPN promises a no-logs policy, which is critical for privacy. But keep in mind, the company is based in Germany, which is a part of the 14 Eyes Intelligence Sharing Alliance. While they may claim not to store data, your information could still be subject to surveillance requests under German law, unlike more privacy-focused providers based in jurisdictions with stronger privacy protections. The sixth thing to consider is their customer support. Deutsche Telekom VPN offers 24/7 customer service, but in terms of responsiveness and depth of knowledge, it's not quite as impressive as competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. If you're the type of person who wants fast and thorough support, you might be disappointed. The seventh thing, pricing. The subscription pricing for Deutsche Telekom VPN is competitive, but when compared to other VPNs like Surfshark or NordVPN, it doesn't offer the same value for long-term plans, especially when considering the extra features offered by those competitors. Next, the app experience. The app is relatively simple to use, but it lacks some of the advanced settings and customization options that other VPNs provide. If you like to tweak your VPN for a more personalized experience, you might find it limiting. The ninth thing is streaming. While Deutsche Telekom VPN can unblock a few streaming services like Netflix, it doesn't offer the same level of performance for streaming as services like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, which excel at unblocking content and maintaining high-quality streaming without buffering. The 10th thing is connection limits. You can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously with Deutsche Telekom VPN. While this is decent, it's not as high as some competitors like Surfshark, which offers unlimited device connections. The 11th thing to mention is compatibility with torrenting. Deutsche Telekom VPN allows P2P traffic on certain servers, but it doesn't have specialized servers dedicated to torrenting like other VPNs that cater more directly to users who need this feature. Finally, the last thing you should know is that while Deutsche Telekom VPN is a solid, reliable choice, it may not be the best for those seeking a more feature-packed, globally expansive VPN service. All in all, Deutsche Telekom VPN is a good option if you're looking for a secure, affordable VPN with basic features, but if you want a VPN that offers better speed, streaming capabilities, and a more global server network, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.